So hi to all, myself Madhavi from the EEE department in Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences in Tirupati. Here you can discuss about the series connection of the coupled circuit and parallel connection of the coupled circuits and what are the formulas for the series connection and parallel connection of the coupled circuit. So if you see the series connection of the coupled circuits, here the two coupled circuit, that is the two inductance will be connected in series. So in this also you are having the two types of the series connection. One is the series adding and one is the series opposition. So what is the series adding and the series opposition means? Here in the series connection the current direction will be same. So in the L1 you are having the current I and in L2 also having the current I, and voltage across the first inductor, that is the VL1, and voltage across the L2 is nothing but VL2. So in between the two coils you are having the mutual inductance. So first coil to second coil you can represent the value as M12. Here M12 is positive or negative means, so if we see the series connection of that, so in the L1 is also current entering and L2 also current direction is entering. So the connections will be same current directions and the dot representation. So in the here the dot representation is at the starting point and L2 is also in the same point. So if the two R will be same means the mutual inductance in the coil will be positive. So you can add each other, so you can call it as a series adding. Similarly, if you are seeing the series opposition, current direction is same, but here the dot, here one is at the entering and one will be at the leaving point. So current direction is same, but the dot connection will be in the opposite direction means you can get the mutual inductance here negative. So it is called as a series opposition. So series adding and series opposition, these are the two conditions in the series connection of the coupled circuits. So here you can see that two coils and having the voltage VL1 and VL2 and the current is I. So if you are seeing the voltage values, so in the series adding, what is the voltage across the VL1 is nothing but the voltage drop across the L into I1, and one more drop is nothing but the M12 into di by dt. So if you see this, so VL1 is equals to L1 into di by dt plus M12 into di by dt. Here M is positive means here the current direction and dot directions will be same means you can get the mutual inductance here as a positive. So L1 M12 in the first, so you can common the L1 and M12, you can get the value as L1 plus M12 into di1 by dt. Similarly, if you write the voltage across the second inductor, we get L2 into di by dt plus M12 into di by dt. So similar to the first equation, you can common the L2 plus M12, you can get di by dt. In series connection, current will be same, but voltages will be nothing but the sum of voltage drop across the VL1 and voltage drop across the VL2. You get VL1 plus VL2. You can substitute the VL1 value and VL2 values. VL1, VL2. So these are the two values. You can substitute here. You can get L1 M12 into di by dt plus VL2 is nothing but L2 into M12 into di by dt. So by combining the di by dt, you can get L1 plus M12 plus L2 into M12. So M12 is nothing but the mutual inductance. I can represent the M12 as M. So you are getting L1 plus L2 plus 2M12, that is 2 into M into di by dt. So what is the total voltage is nothing but the total equivalent is nothing but L. Total current is L di by dt. So I can represent VL as L into di by dt is equals to L1 plus L2 plus 2M is equal to di by dt. So what is the total equivalent inductance in the series connection of the coupled circuit means L is equals to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. And next one more you are having, that is the series opposition. So in the series opposition, you have only the difference is the mutual inductance direction, that is you can get the mutual inductance value as negative in the series opposition case. Similar to the first case, you can solve this one. You can get, so VL is equals to VL1 plus VL2, and what is the value means L1 plus L2 minus 2M12. You can get the total equivalent as L is equals to L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So for the series opposition, you can get the plus 2M, and series adding plus 2M, and the series opposition you can get the minus 2M. Next, if you see the problem, find the total inductance of the three series connected coupled coils as shown in figure below. So if you see the problem, you are having the three inductance L1, L2 and L3. So these three are series connected and the current will be I. And the mutual impedance is M12, M13 and M23. So in between first and 2 you are having the M12, in between second and 3 you are having M23, and 1 and 3 you are having the M13. So these mutual inductance will be either positive or negative. Already we can see in the dot rule. So here the two currents will be in the same direction, and the dots also in the entering position. So the M12 is positive. Next, in the second condition, L2 and L3 having the same direction, and these are also the same point, entering point. So here also M23 is the positive. If you see the first and third, so here also current direction is same. So in the L1 and the L3 is current direction same. Here also entering, here also entering, mutual inductance is positive. So that's why here M12, M23 and M13 both will be, these three will be positive. What are the values given for this means L1 is equals to 1 Henry, and L2 is equals to 2 Henry, and L3 is equals to 5 Henry, M12 is equals to 0.5 Henry, M23 is the 1 Henry, and M13 is the 1 Henry. You can find the total inductance value. So if you are seeing the first coil, it having the effect of, so in the first coil you are having L1 value, M12 value and M13 value. So in the first case you are having these three values. Similar to the second case, L2 value, M23 value and M13 value, and last L3 value, M13 and M23. So overall 9 elements is in this. So if you are seeing for the first coil, L1 plus M12 plus M13, here M12 M13 is the positive, so that's why you can put the plus value here. So you can substitute the values for the L1, M12, M13, you can get 2.5 Henry. Similar to second coil, L2 positive, M23 positive and M12 is positive, so plus symbol is there, so you can get 3.5 Henry. Next, here 7 Henry for the third coil. So these three coils are total inductance for the given circuit. So you can add these three coil inductances, you can get the total inductance as 13 Henrys. If there is any change in the dot value, so same problem and the same values, but only one difference in the second problem. So L1, L2 will be same as L3 as the same as the first problem, and M12, M23 and M13 is there, and L1 and L2 is the entering, but only the difference is here L3 is the leaving. So where we can get the difference means, so here L1, L2 is in the direction, this will be the entering means M12 is positive. So M12 అనేది positive. Next, if you are taking the L2 and L3, so L2 direction, L3 direction rendu same, but M12 is the entering point and M23, that is L3 having the leaving point. So you can get the M23 as minus, so minus M23. Next, if you are seeing the third case, that is L1 and L3, so these are having the same direction, but only the difference is dot point. Here the dot is entering, here the dot is leaving, so minus M13. So only M12 is positive, remaining will be negative here. So if you see the problem, same as that one, here L1 plus M12 is positive kabatti, you can take plus M12 minus M13. Next, in the second coil, L2 M23 is the negative, so you can minus M23 and M12. Next, in the third case, you are having the L3, M23 and M13. Here M23 is the negative and M13 is also negative. You can put these two values are negative. So you can substitute the L1, L2, L3, M12, M13 and M23 values. You are getting the three individual kind inductance, and you can get the net inductance value by adding these three. You can get the total inductance as 5 henries. In the previous problem they gave the dot position. In this they don't give any dot position. So based upon the directions you can assume the directions from this. Here if you are seeing that these three coils are connected each other, means the current will be in the same direction. So I is having the same direction. If you see the entering points here in the first coil, so if you are seeing this first coil, this will be the entering nature, so I can represent the dot point. In the second coil this will be opposite to the first coil, means here it will be entering, means this will be the leaving. The third coil also entering, so you can put the dot point here. So based upon this you can solve the problem similar to the first one. You can get the values as this. And the fourth one, so here you can find the expression for the M value, that is the mutual inductance value, in the combination of when the two series coupled coils, when the flex two coils assist each other. Assist is nothing but you can add the fluxes. Net inductance being L1, and when opposite each other is the equivalent inductance is L2. So whatever they gave means, so if you are taking the two inductive coils, there will be the mutual inductance. In case of two couples coupled each other, that is in the series ring, you can get the value as L1. When the two values will be opposite each other, you can get the equivalent inductance L2. So you can find the total mutual inductance from this expression. So if you see this, first you can take the condition for the two coils assist each other, that is this will be in the adding condition. So if you are taking the two adding condition, means what you are getting the formula means L1 L2 plus 2m. So that is you can get L1 value as L1 dash plus L2 dash in the case. So in this case L1 dash and L2 dash. So these two will be, means what is the net value is nothing but L1. So you can get L1 is equals to L1 dash plus L2 dash plus 2m. Why? Because it will be the series adding, means you can get the value as plus 2m. So by this you can get the value as m as L1 minus L1 dash plus L2 dash by 2. Next, if you are seeing the second case, two will be opposite each other. So in this case we can take the m value as negative. So what is the formula for that one? Means L2 is equals to L1 dash plus L2 dash minus 2m. So in the first case that will be adding nature. In the second case opposite each other, means you can take the minus value. So what is the value of L1 plus L1 dash plus L2 dash is nothing but L2 plus 2m. So you can substitute the L1 dash plus L2 dash in the first equation. We can get, so m is equals to L1 by 2 minus L1 dash plus L2 dash by 2 from the first equation. So L1 by 2, in place of L1 dash plus L2 dash we can substitute the L2 plus 2m by 2. So by solving this you can get the expression in terms of the L1 and L2. What is the m value is nothing but m is equals to L1 minus L2 by 4. So these are all about the series connection of the coupled circuit. Similar to the series connection, if you are seeing the parallel connection of the coupled circuits, so in this the two couples having the one is the parallel addition and the one more is the parallel opposition. So same as the series connection, you are having the L1 and L2 values and the m values. So based upon the direction, so here the current direction is same, but these two will be opposite each other, means you can get the parallel opposition. Here the current direction is same and the dot will be same, means it is in the parallel addition condition. So in that case the current voltage is different, so you can take the value as voltage VL is equals to VL1 plus VL2. So in the parallel case the currents will be divided, so that is the current I is divided to I1 and I2 here. So from this expression I is equals to I1 plus I2, and you can write it expression as di by dt is equals to di1 by dt plus di2 by dt. So if you are taking in terms of the mutual induced EMF is nothing but, so in the first case what you are getting the Drop here means L1 di1 plus di1 by dt plus m into di2 by dt. In the second case, that is in second coil, you can get the EMF as L2 di2 by dt plus m into di1 by dt. So in the parallel condition, the voltages will be same. VL1 is equals to VL2. By equating these two equations, you are getting the expression as di1 by dt is equals to L2 minus m by L1 minus m into di2 by dt. So you can substitute the di1 by dt in the first equation. Here you are having the di by dt is equals to di1 by dt plus di2 by dt. So in this place, di1 by dt, you can substitute the value di1 by dt, that is L2 minus m by L1 minus m into di2 by dt. So by substituting this, you can get the di by dt as L2 minus m by L1 minus m plus 1 into di2 by dt. So similar to the first case and second case, the net equivalent impedance is nothing but L into di by dt, and what is the value here? L1 into di1 by dt plus m into di2 by dt. So if you are equating these two values, you can get di by dt as 1 by L into L1 into di1 by dt plus m into di by dt. So here in the third equation you are having di by dt, and the fourth equation is also having the di by dt. So you can equate the third and fourth equation. You can get di by dt is equals to 1 by L into L1. What is the di1 value? Is nothing but L2 minus, so here di1 by dt already you are having L2 minus m by, so you can get the value in terms of the di2 by d. So di by dt is equals to, you can get 1 by L into L1 into L2 minus m by L1 minus m into di2 by dt plus m di2 by dt. You are getting the expression as this. So when you can equate these value, so here you can get the equation in terms of the I2 and also in terms of the equation. So you can equate the third equation and the fifth equation. You are getting the total expression for the parallel connection of the coupled circuit, means L is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. So if you are observing the equation, so in this equation you are getting L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 minus 2m for the parallel addition. In the series addition, you can get the L1 plus L2 plus 2m, but for coming to the parallel connection, you can get the value as minus. So similarly, you can do the process. You can get the net inductance for the parallel opposing case, means L is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 plus 2m. So if you are seeing the problems on the parallel connection of the coupled circuits, here they gave the, if the two inductors 25 millihenries and the 45 millihenries are connected in parallel ID, calculate the total inductance of the parallel combination, and the mutual inductance is given by 20 millihenry. So here they can give the L1 value, L2 value and the mutual inductance value, and one more is it is the parallel aiding. So what is the value, what is the formula for the net inductance for the parallel aiding? Means L is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. So you know the L1 value, L2 value and m. So you can substitute the values in this equation. You are getting the total inductance as 24.16 millihenries. So if you are taking the same problem in the second case, here the only difference is in the first case you can use the parallel aiding case, in the second case you can use the parallel opposing case. So what is the formula? Means LT is equals to L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 plus 2m. So parallel opposing, you can get the place value. So you substitute the L1 L2 and m value, you can get the total inductance as 6.59 henries. So if there are, you are having the two inductors L1 L2 values, if in the parallel adding case or parallel opposing case, if you are taking the two inductors value is same, means what is the net inductance value is nothing but L plus or minus m by 2. How means, so if you are taking the parallel adding case, what is the total inductance? L1 L2 minus m square by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. So if you are substituting L1 L2 is equals to L, so these two values will be same, means if you are substituting L1 and L2 as the L, you can get the expression as LT is equals to L plus m by 2. Similarly, you can do the parallel opposing case, you can get the net the total inductance value as L minus m by 2. So you can get the net equivalent as L plus or m by 2. So these are all about the series connection of the coupled circuits and the parallel connection of the coupled circuits. Thank you.